Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. This week I was chatting to an old friend of mine who I've known for years, and we originally met through a mutual love of music. I think we actually met at a gig when we were about 16 or 17. And he told me that he'd recently been to a concert in the centre of London. I expressed surprise because I knew that this concert had sold out very, very quickly. So I asked him how he managed to get tickets, and he replied that he had managed to get in without having tickets at all. This surprised me even more, so I said, "How do you manage to do that then?" And he said, I kind of sweet talked the doorman and basically blagged my way in by telling them I'm from the music press. Now, it is true that my friend does work for an organisation that does have some distant connection to journalism, and I'm guessing he quickly kind of flashed his work card at the guy and was somehow lucky enough to get in to see this particular concert. Knowing my friend, I also know he has the gift of the gab. He's very good at talking and persuading people to give him what he wants them to give him. If you blag something, you basically persuade somebody to give you something by talking in a clever way, and sometimes in a slightly dishonest way. So you can blag your way into a sold-out into a sold-out concert or conference. You can blag your way into a nightclub. Maybe you managed to blag free tickets for a game, or you can blag a lift home from someone, or you blag a free copy of a book. I managed to blag my way onto the degree course I did when I was 19, despite the fact that the university had originally refused to offer me a place. And to be honest, sometimes I feel a bit like I've blagged my way through my entire life. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about things you've managed to blag over the years.